Very good evening, dear students. With the continuation of the chapter Matrix, today I am going to take the topic transpose of a matrix. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n is a matrix, then A dash is equal to Bji n cross m is said to be transpose of matrix A, where I is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to m, and j is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to n, where here m is the rows and a here in the transpose of matrix A, n is the rows. I have converted rows into column and column into rows. Now let's take an example. With the example you will understand much more. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. Then A dash is equal to 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. Now this is of order 2 cross 3. So A dash is said to be the transpose of matrix A. Similarly, you can take more and more examples. Now, the other topic is based upon this transpose of matrix, symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrices. A square matrix A, square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n, because symmetric matrix is linked with only with the square matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be symmetric if and only if A dash is equal to A. If transpose of matrix is same as a matrix, so that Aij n cross n is equal to Aj n cross n, where I is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to n, and j is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to n. This is the symmetric matrix. Similarly, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is equal to Aij n cross n is said to be skew symmetric matrix if and only if A dash is equal to minus A, so that Aj n cross n is equal to minus Aij n cross n, where I is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to n, and j is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to n. This is a skew symmetric matrix. The other topic based upon symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, that is, a matrix can be written into two forms. A matrix A can be split into two matrices, that is symmetric and skew symmetric. So A can be written as half a plus a dash plus half a minus a dash, where this is symmetric, this is skew symmetric. So remember, a plus a dash is always symmetric and a minus a dash is always skew symmetric. These are the two things which has to be remembered, CTM. These are the two main the properties of transpose, that a plus a dash is always symmetric and a minus a dash is always skew symmetric. We can write a square matrix A in two matrices, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is all about today's transpose of the matrix. Now let's recap today our lesson. That first we have done transpose matrix, then we have done symmetric matrices, skew symmetric matrices, then the properties of matrices, properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. A matrix can be split into two matrices, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices, and a plus a dash is always symmetric matrix and a minus a dash is always skew symmetric matrix. If anybody asks you write an example of symmetric matrix, then add a and a dash, you will get a symmetric matrix. And if anyone you ask you give an example of skew symmetric matrix, then subtract transpose from the matrix a minus a dash will always a skew symmetric matrix. That is today's chapter बच्चों. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आपको ये चैप्टर बड़े अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. इसके बेस पे जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं आपकी बुक के एनसीईआरटी बुक के अंदर, प्लीज़ डू दैट क्वेश्चन एट योर होम. अगर आपको कहीं कोई क्वेरीज है, कोई चीज़ समझ नहीं आ रही है, जस्ट पिंक मी, मुझे जस्ट फ़ोन करो, तो मैं आपको उसी टाइम आपको बताऊंगा कि दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी डन इन दिस मेथड. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंजॉय योर डे एंड एज वेल डू योर होमवर्क एट योर होम.